No.
No, he's disqualified.
What's the last letter?
This is hard. You were disqualified.
Wait, why was he disqualified?
Because he called out. He said that. Alex.
No, I said before he did it.
Alex.
How do you know it? Right, I said, okay. Next word. Up now, fine.
Alex.
जिन्होंने सऊदी अरब में गया
Next word is England.
लेकिन साडा जेड़ा उत्ते रोज़ नाल इस बार दे कि सुमो ले रोज़ नाल
Alex.
बाकी ये कर बंदे दा मामला अल्लाह दे नाल ही
So we got the up now first. So far. Up now, fine.
Up now, fine.
No, because it's not so hard to prove.
I know, right? My hands are broken.
No. Up now, fun. So we have up now. So far. Wait, did you
No,
not
he
say
said
it?
it. He said
Did you
it.
say no?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
और
Stop.
को बताया
The next one is Bob.
ये ज़ुबान स्टार्ट कैसे हुई इसका ओरिजिन क्या है इसका मीनिंग ये बोली पता है आप बता
Alicia,
उनके लिए बोला चलो कोई समझा
Failure. Okay.
हम ये
What's the next letter?
5 मिनट के लिए खेलते हैं
नहीं उसके बाद आपने क्योंकि मुझे फिर जाना है आगे तारीख
ठीक है तो अभी हम पहले ये बता देना
Let me do it first for him, not you. What you got? Why so greedy?
फिर
We did B and F so far.
alright we're gonna do a little change in the schedule.
Let's do it there.
Alright, we're gonna do a change in the schedule.
How about we throw the ball?
I can't find a hot potato timer online. I don't. You know where you count like it's random. Sometimes you have 30 seconds, sometimes you have 20 seconds. I can't find one. So, but right now, today we have a very special guest who is going to tell us about